First up, a deadly terror attack in the heart of Srinagar today. The first in almost 3 years that caught the security establishment unawares and left the government groping for answers as it already faces flack over Afzal Guru's hanging.
CNN Mufti Ishla was in Bemina getting us a minute-by-minute account of the horror that unfolded, leaving 5 CRPF Jawans dead and the valley further divided.
10:45 AM, CRPF Jawans in Srinagar bracing to face protesters. There was a strike call against Afzal Guru's hanging. That's when terrorists disguised as cricketers entered a school ground and opened fire.
We're getting news of a firing going on, an encounter believed to be going on in Srinagar.
There's a shootout going from Bemina area, which is barely 4 kilometers away from the main city center, Lal Chowk. Now we've been told that since last 15 to 20 minutes fighting is going on. There's vital installations like CRPF facilities there's a police school which runs there even on Hartal days like these. We've come to know that either this militant has gone into a building and now police and CRPF contingent, they've zeroed in on this building. Certainly there's a firing going on within the city.
As we've been told that 5 CRPF men are now confirmed dead, there's 7 others who have been injured. The 2 Fidaeens have also been shot. As of now, I can tell you that the firing has stopped since last 20 minutes, but yes, we did see a very sudden kind of an attack. Amrita, I can tell you as we speak, there's firing going on. In fact, if you take a look, if you are getting those visuals, there was a couple of fires and people are now running away from that spot. Again, we see a certain burst of fire taking place. Perhaps those crack commandos of CRPF, those you see now mounting in that Vajra. It was believed that perhaps this shootout is over, but we believe that the security forces will not take chances and they will declare this in couple of hours before they allow any kind of army movement or for that matter civilian movement in this area.
ये 2 मिलिटेंट घुसे थे, फिदाएं अटैक हुआ था यहाँ, सीआरपी जो डिप्लॉय थी यहाँ इनसाइड, उसमें हमारे 5 सीआरपीएफ के शहीद हो गए और 2 मिलिटेंट मारे गए.
The death toll from the Fidaeen attack could in fact have been much higher.
There is a school, the police public school, which has more than 1,000 students, and today being Hartal, luckily there was no student. The attack was very brazen, very sudden. There was a shootout. We've been told that for 20 to 30 minutes the gun kept roaring.
Minutes after the gunfire ended, the security men were under attack again, this time from local protesters who pelted stones.
So far I can tell you that there is a stone pelting. Who is doing it? Who is behind this? Who is organizing this? That is a subject of a subject of a detail that the police is going to take. Right now the focus is really on to push back those protesters.
A battle on 2 fronts that left the Jawans vulnerable.
This gentleman is wearing a guard, then he has a baton in his hand. There's a tear smoke gun which he is supposed to use, and he is in helmet. And all of a sudden, if there is really a militant attack, he's not, he's caught unawares, and that is exactly what happened.
Within hours, the Home Ministry pointed a finger at Pakistan. The Hizbul Mujahideen claimed responsibility as Srinagar bled again and 2 of the attackers still at large. With Mufti Ishla in Srinagar, this is Rohit Khanna.